But now let's talk about how to structure training that actually sticks. Because if you want rituals that don't fizzle out in a week, you have to train them almost like you're planning a story. So let me explain. So you have act one, where that's where you're building curiosity. So you introduce the role or the ritual, whatever it is, and you introduce it with the reason why it matters. I'm always talking about the why. So make it meaningful. So, for example, you can tell your sub, when you kneel for me, you're grounding yourself in our dynamic. So that way they know the reason why. And then you have act two, and this is the challenge. So expect some resistance or friction. This is where you check in, you revise if needed, and reinforce things and praise even partial success because no sub is perfect and they're going to need some guidance along the way. And then we've made it to act three. And so that's where the transformation really is. This is where the ritual or the role kind of just becomes the identity. It becomes automatic. It becomes almost like home and feels comforting. And this three-part framework, it works for a brand new partner or even a long-term partner that you're just starting to transition to a DS dynamic. It even works for seasoned couples too. So if you're wanting to implement a new role, you can use it. My dom still follows those same steps when he's creating a new role for me. But the point is, make sure you've built in time for mistakes because you're not expecting robotic perfection here.